Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to this video. In this video I want us to look at simple formulas and functions in Excel. Okay, we have average, we have product, sum, mean and maximum. We are going to look at how you can get these simple formulas and the functions. Some people maybe prefer calling them functions, okay, which is still good. So now we are going to look at how we can get each. Looking at my employees worksheet, I have what employees earned per hour and the hours employees worked for. Okay, so we're going to see how much the employee can earn. Okay, for that one we use product. Okay, and this is how we find the product. Okay, I'm going to say equals. Okay, get equals, type the word product. Okay, this one, select it. Okay, then scroll, hold the left button now, scroll up to here. Okay, you can delete. Okay, or hit enter. Then you have that answer as 3,000,000. Okay, 113,155 shillings. Okay, then to get what the rest of employees did, okay, come to this active cell, navigate up to the corner here. You see the cursor changing the sign like this. Okay, hold the left button and drag to the bottom. Okay, something like that. Now you have what all employees worked for, and we use that one to use for product. You get it? Okay, or if you don't want to use product, you just say equals. Okay, and come and say you select this first cell. Okay, then put the multiplication sign. Okay, something like that. Also put this one. This means you have multiplied cell C3. Okay, and cell D3. Then you hit enter. Still you have the same answer. You can scroll down. Okay, like that. So you have product. Okay, what we call the multiplication. Let's look at the summation. In other words, maybe if you want to know what this company paid, okay, to the workers, okay, you can say now total. Or I come here, I said total amount, okay, total amount. Now I'll come here and I say equals. Okay, then I say sum. I look for sum here, double click on it, then I come here. Okay, I select cell F3. Okay, then I now after selecting I scroll down, okay, up to F11. Get it? Hit enter. I'm going to see that now, okay, the total amount the company paid out is 5,000,000, okay, and the 17,000, okay, 275 shillings. So with that, that's how we can get the sum. Okay, the sum. If you don't want to use that formula, then instead you say equals. Okay, then you can say this one. Okay, put a plus sign. Okay, and you scroll down, add up to 12. Okay, then you say that one does not work for you. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Okay. Then let's see that one. Okay. I'm going to show that one later. Then we have now product sum. Let's see the average pay for the workers. Okay. Can say average. Okay. Then look for the average pay here. Okay. The average pay. Me on getting the average pay, come here. Okay. Just come here. I want to get the average. Average. Say feel free to say equals average. Okay. For average, select. Yeah. Okay. And hit enter. So you have the average pay. Okay, this is what was the average pay. It is almost every person had that amount, okay, as their average pay. Let's look for the minimum pay. Okay, minimum pay. Okay, come here, say equals, write the type mean, saying return the smallest number in set of values. Ignore the logical values. Okay, so select this one, mean, come here, select this one, and scroll down up to I will stop exactly there. Okay, and we release it. Okay, it means we have minimum pay. Okay, so that is it. Minimum pay. But we had seen average. In average, we have included the cell 12. Yet not supposed to include it. Look for cell 11. That is it. Okay, so that means that's our average pay. We had included the amount. So we have now got average, product, sum, and minimum. Okay, let's get the maximum. Maximum. Come here, say cos. Okay, max, and you return this one. Return the largest value set of values. Okay, select it. Okay, so from there hit enter. So you have now the maximum amount paid. Okay, you can see this first person who was paid too much. Okay, so that is how you can get now simple formulas and functions that we have. These ones are functions because they are inbuilt. Okay, for the formulas you just start, you bring it by yourself. Okay, so we have looked at these ones. Okay, I've looked at this one. So come here, this first put so you see we have now, if in case you want to represent them in form of a graph, okay, then you can also bring a graph. Okay, for example, I select this name. Okay, return them with per hours they worked for. Okay, select here, stop there, hold the control, again select per hour. Okay, come to insert, and we have set of charts, recommended ones. Okay, and you can now insert it, get it, insert it. You can go to add chart elements, you add some chart elements. Okay, horizontal, then the chart element, vertical. Okay, this one you can now come to editing. It is worked, so we have to put hours worked there. Hours worked, then we have here, we edit this one. Okay, Control Z. Okay, okay, so that's how you can add a formula. Okay, add the chart. Add the chart title of the chart. hours worked, we add axes, okay, something like that. Okay, bring small here. So these are hours, okay, and here these are names. Okay, then still you can now cut it off, okay, cut it off, and now maybe paste it to a new sheet. Okay, so that's the simple formulas and functions we can meet in other advanced